Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we have something truly exciting to delve into: the Honor X9B, a smartphone that's making waves in the market with its innovative approach of replacing the old display with an LCD one. Join us as we unpack everything this fascinating device has to offer, and see why it might just be the right choice for you. First impressions, design and display. The Honor X9B presents itself with a sleek and stylish design that's hard to ignore. It comes equipped with a striking 6.67-inch LCD display, which marks a significant shift in the use of display technology on smartphones. While old displays have become the gold standard, praised for their vibrant colors and deep blacks, Honor is betting that consumers will appreciate the advantages that LCD displays bring to the table. And like many smartphones out there, the Honor X9B offers a crisp viewing experience with rich colors and good brightness levels, allowing users to enjoy their media just as they would on an old screen. The decision to use an LCD could also mean that consumers won't have to sacrifice their savings because, generally, LCD displays are more affordable to produce. Why LCD? The pros and cons. Now, you might be wondering why Honor has taken this bold step. Let's break down the benefits of LCD technology. First, as previously mentioned, the affordability is a major highlight. For many consumers, especially those on a budget, the prospect of a cost-effective smartphone without compromising key features is appealing. Moreover, LCD displays are known for their durability and longevity. Since they lack the organic compounds found in old screens, they're less prone to issues like burn-in and screen degradation over time. Additionally, LCDs tend to offer a steady performance when it comes to power efficiency, meaning you can enjoy longer battery life while browsing, streaming, or gaming on your phone. Performance powerhouse, MediaTek Dimensity 900. Now let's discuss what powers the Honor X9B. Under the hood, the device is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor. This mid-range chipset has proven to be an efficient performer, balancing power consumption and processing capabilities effectively. Whether you're multitasking between apps or diving into resource-intensive games, the Dimensity 900 is designed to handle various tasks without a hitch. With 8 GB of RAM, you can expect smooth performance throughout your day-to-day usage. Coupled with an impressive 256 GB of internal storage, this smartphone provides plenty of space for all your apps, photos, videos, and more. A perfect setup for content creators and heavy app users alike. Photography features capture every moment. Moving on to the camera capabilities, the Honor X9B does not disappoint. It is packed with a robust camera system that consists of a 50MP main camera, ensuring that your shots are sharp and vibrant. The additional 2MP macro lens allows you to focus on intricate details in close-up photography. Meanwhile, the 8MP ultra-wide lens expands your perspective to capture larger scenes or group photos without cutting anyone out. For selfie enthusiasts, the 16MP front-facing camera is an attractive feature. It not only captures stunning selfies, but is also adept at producing quality video calls, making it a must-have for those staying connected with friends and family remotely. Power that lasts, battery life, and fast charging. One of the standout features of the Honor X9B is its impressive 4,800 mAh battery. This hefty battery is designed to last up to 2 days on a single charge, which is a major benefit for users who rely heavily on their devices throughout the day. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, gaming, or browsing social media, you can do so with confidence knowing that your battery won't give up on you partway through. Additionally, the smartphone supports 6W fast charging. So, even when your battery does run low, you can quickly top it up and get back to enjoying your device in no time. The swift charging technology is a game changer for busy users constantly on the move. User experience, software and connectivity. The Honor X9B runs on Magic UI 6.0, which is based on the Android 12 operating system. This UI brings a host of customization options, allowing users to tailor their experience to fit their preferences. The user interface is intuitive, and it fosters seamless navigation, making it easy to switch between apps and manage settings without any hassle. Furthermore, Being 5G ready means that Honor X9B users can enjoy blazing fast internet speeds, significantly enhancing their online experiences, whether it be streaming high-definition content, engaging in video calls, or downloading large files. Final thoughts: is the Honor X9B right for you? Overall, the Honor X9B is an intriguing device that brings together a unique combination of features and performance at a budget-friendly price point. With its sleek design, a capable processor, robust camera system, long-lasting battery, and a focus on affordability, it's a great option for those looking for a smartphone that stands out without breaking the bank. So, if you're in the market for a reliable smartphone that prioritizes battery life, performance, and a good mix of modern features, the Honor X9B might just be the perfect fit for you. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of technology. If you enjoyed this video and found the insights helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech news, reviews, and insights into the latest gadgets. Until next time, stay tech savvy, and we'll see you in our next video.